I use a computer for just about everything. Keeping in touch, reading the news, ordering dinner. So why am I stuck using paper records when I'm on the manufacturing line? Paper is not great for convenience. It's bad for efficiency, and it's terrible for good manufacturing practices. MasterControl Manufacturing Excellence eliminates all the mix-ups that come with bad handwriting, ink smudges, and transcription errors. Now I can simply enter my data quickly, easily, and cleanly. And better yet, no one from quality is pulling me off the line just to clarify a data entry I made 2 weeks ago. Plus, if I'm looking to update calculations, I don't have to find the values from separate pages, transcribe them, recalculate them, and get someone to verify. Now, the system can do that automatically. I can get my work done just as simply and effectively as when I'm ordering delivery or liking a social post on my phone. Hashtag, it's amazing.